lawyer, when a judge tells you no contact, I want you to understand that's what they mean. Do you understand me?
I'm threatening to kill my brother.
Hey! Okay.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
Patrick Darren Fallahy, 25W719969. Okay, Mr. Williams, your name?
Rodney Williams, on behalf of the defendant, P47888.
Your name, sir?
Patrick Darren Fallahy.
All right, so we're going to go with the exam next week.
Judge, the victim's on Zoom also.
Where's the victim? Who is the victim?
You put my note on the register too.
What's that?
They sent this.
Here?
Yeah, if you look at my note, you'll see. I don't know if Mohammed saw it or not.
Can I have the defendant call me as well afterwards?
Yeah, but now I'm getting handed paperwork. I need Mr. Muhammad and I need the victim to show up and state the name. Victim, you need to sign in.
This case belongs to the domestic prosecutor.
Okay? We need the domestic prosecutor, whoever that is. Victim, you need to sign in. It says victim Fallahy. I need you to start your video.
Oh, I have the video, but
What's your name?
Nicole Beach.
Okay. Let me check a couple things, counsel. I don't even see. Okay, you've got the bond conditions in the lien, right, Lisa?
I can check, Judge.
I've got them right here. I'm gonna reiterate them. Can you give me a bond sheet? Stay right where you are, Ms. Beach, please.
Okay.
The prosecutor's on Zoom.
Oh, there you are. How you doing, Ms. Louie?
Hi, how's it going?
Good, you?
I'm good.
Yeah, you had a good honeymoon and all that? You're all...
Thank you.
State your name, please.
Noor Ali on behalf of the people.
All right, I need a bond sheet and there was something that was emailed to us about a bond violation. So let's start with that. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead. I'll note that Judge Burton he must have been sitting as the magistrate that day, or the visiting judge that day, I should say. Ordered no contact, no assaultive, abusive, required to obtain a tether. I need to check one thing, counsel, real quick. So no contact. Who's Ashley Olette, Ms. Beach?
She's my friend who was with me that night and was also assaulted. Or almost assaulted.
All right. Jesus. Nicole. Nicole Beach or Ashley Olette, no contact with them at all. No contact with prosecution witnesses. You're not to possess firearms. That was not ordered. If you have firearms, you have to bring them over to the Woodhaven.
I have no firearms.
No firearms, no dangerous weapons. You have a tether?
I do, sir.
All right, let me just see something here. Who lives at 23020 Fairway Drive, number 204, Ms. Alui?
I believe that is the
It's me.
complaint witness here. I'm just going to double check.
Mr. Williams, I need you back in here. I don't know what happened. I just see a picture of you.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Sorry about that. I just don't want to be wrong here. I have,
That was the location of the
that
fence.
location is complainant Ms. Beach's home.
Okay, so you're not to enter the property address or go near 23020 Fairway Drive,
Yes, sir.
Unit 204 in Woodhaven. Lisa, we're gonna have to communicate. I have no idea what the terms of this tether are, but you're not to be within 2 miles of the victim,
Yes, sir.
her residence, or place of employment.
Yes, sir.
You have to get that straightened out, Mr. Williams, with the tether unit at the sheriff's department.
I go there.
Hang on.
Oh,
I don't know what the judge ordered. I can't tell. He didn't fill out a bond sheet, I don't see. But those are the conditions. You're not to be within 2 miles of the victim or residence or place of employment. You're not to leave the state. You're not to violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Again, no contact with Nicole Beach or Ashley Olette. You cannot write, phone, see, text, email, or communicate with them or have anybody else do any of those things for you on your behalf. You also have to show up in court. Are we doing September 9th on this, Mr. Williams?
The 16th, Your Honor.
The 16th. Okay, so you have the right to a preliminary examination within 7 days of the date of the probable cause conference. Today is the probable cause conference. Are you not available next Tuesday, counsel?
I am not, Your Honor.
Your lawyer has a conflict, so he's asking me to adjourn it for 2 weeks. Do you waive your right to have the exam within 1 week of the date of the probable cause conference?
yeah.
Anybody force you to do that?
No.
Preliminary exam will be September 16th, Lisa, at
10:45.
At 10:45, I want to be clear. So, Mr. Williams, you're going to have to deal with the tether unit. Make sure they understand that tethers to prohibit him from going within 2 miles of the victim, her residence, or place of employment, and that goes for both victims, Ashley Olette or Nicole Beach. So he's going to have to get that straightened out. I don't quite understand what Judge Burton ordered totally. So that's the best I can do. Do you have any questions, sir?
I do not.
Now, there was an issue here about bond, and we got an email, I'm just looking at it, says Patrick Fallahy was arraigned out county over the past weekend, instructed in his release order not to have any contact or direct or indirect contact with Nicole Beach. 2 separate reports have been made by Nicole where she stated he's texting her and calling her, requesting a hearing to violate his release order and have his personal bond revoked. Apparently, your client doesn't listen very well. Do you want to confer with him as to whether or not he wants to plead guilty or wishes to have a hearing?
Yes, I would, Your Honor.
We're going to put you in a breakout room to speak with your lawyer. When a judge tells you no contact, I want you to understand that's what they mean. Do you understand me? That means you cannot write, phone, see, text, go anywhere near them, have anybody in the country or the world contact them for you on your behalf, whether by text, phone, letters, in person, email, otherwise. Do we understand one another?
Yes.
Go talk to your lawyer. I'm dead serious about what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, if I may be put into a breakout room with the victim here.
Yeah, we'll put you in a room with Ms. Beach, and you're gonna be in a room with your lawyer, and then you're coming back, and we're figuring out how we're going to proceed here. Do we understand that?
Yes, you do.
We're calling Patrick Fallahy. Patrick Darren Fallahy, file number 25W719969. I need Ms. Beach out here, I need the prosecutor, I need Mr. Williams, and I need Mr. Fallahy. Ms. Beach, your name.
Nicole Beach.
Mr. Williams, your name.
Thank you, Mayor. Please call Rodney Williams on behalf of the defendant.
Detective, your name.
Detective Kyle Davis, Woodhaven PD.
And counsel, your appearance.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Good afternoon, Nora Alawi on behalf of the people, P86528.
And your name.
Patrick Garrett.
What are we doing here?
Your Honor, we're asking for a hearing.
Okay. And what do you want me to do, Ms. Lowy?
We can schedule a hearing, just to
I
clarify.
can do the hearing now. I see no reason to prolong this. I absolutely, no. It's a no contact. He's not gonna get the duck out of this. I mean, if he did nothing wrong, I'll apologize for wasting your time. But we're either gonna have a guilty plea now, or we're gonna have a hearing, and then I'm gonna make a determination. Or if the prosecutor thinks there was no contact, she can just tell me, Judge, we're satisfied, continue the on. But I don't need to set this for a hearing. I'll give you more time to talk to him if you need it.
I'll probably need to do that, then if we're gonna have it today, I'll do that.
Is Ms. Beach gonna testify that he texted her and called her?
To my knowledge, Your Honor, she will testify that she has had contact with him, or he has contacted her.
Did
Yes.
he text you, ma'am?
Yes.
What did he text you and when? And I'm gonna let you go in there and talk to him, Mr. Williams.
I have sent them in messages, but the first few were threatening to kill my brother.
Hey. Okay, so I'm gonna wanna see those. I want you to send those texts over. Send those texts over, Lisa, at 33court@33.com or 33court?
At 33court.com.
Lisa at 33court.com. Mr. Williams can talk to his client now. And we'll go from there. We'll have a hearing.
Wondering if you can get a copy of those messages as well, so we.
Your client just said he doesn't want to go to jail today. I don't know why he'd be talking like that unless that almost sounds like a
My father just passed away. I'm going through a hard time.
Excuse me. Please don't talk.
All right.
Time out on the field. 2-minute warning. Go out and talk to your lawyer further.
All right, thank you.
And then you're coming back in here. Mr. Cooper, I'm going to try to, yeah, I'm sorry, Ms. Lowe.
If I may be put in a breakout room again with the victim?
Yeah, we'll put you in a breakout again with Ms. Beach.
Mr. Cooper, this case.
The Beach of Valley. Do I have the file?
Your Honor, in talking to my client and based on what I just received from the prosecutor's office, we're just going to plead guilty to violation, Your Honor.
Recalling, okay, thank you. Recalling Patrick Darren Valley, 25W719969. Your name?
Patrick Valley.
All right. Counsel, Mr. Williams, your appearance again?
Thank you, Mayor. Please call Rodney Williams on behalf of the defendant.
I need Ms. Lilly and the victim. If you plead guilty here, as your lawyer just said, your bond could be revoked and forfeited, release revoked, and a new bond set. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
You have the right to a lawyer. And if you cannot, if you want a hearing, I'll give you one. If you plead guilty, you're giving up your right to a contested hearing. You're waiving your right to bring in your own witnesses, to use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses, to testify or remain silent, to question their witnesses. And you're giving up any and all rights to a hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Alawi, I need you in here, please, to the charge that you violated the bond by violating the no contact provision. How do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
How did you violate the no contact provision?
I sent her text message.
I can't hear you.
I sent her text message.
What did the text messages say? Don't lie to me, I'm gonna read them.
One of them that I was threatening her brother when he got out of prison, and then I sent her another ones that I was very apologetic and that I know I messed up and I ruined our family and our future together, and she just told me that there was nothing she could do about it anymore and that we're done, and, you know, not to contact her. I haven't spoke to her in a few days, you know, and I lost my father in July 3rd. My head hasn't, you know, I'm just.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Plea is accepted. Counsel, your appearance.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Nora Alawi on behalf of the people, PA 6528.
Aye. And Ms. Beach.
Yes.
Your name?
Nicole Beach.
Detective, your name?
Detective Kyle Davis, Woodhaven PD.
I'm accepting your guilty plea. I'm gonna listen. Anything you have to say, Mr. Williams, you can go ahead and say whatever you'd like.
Thank you, Your Honor. So my client definitely takes responsibility for his action. He's currently working at a flooring company, Coombs Flooring Company. He works from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. He started there 6 months ago. He doesn't have a lot of relatives in the community, so that's one of the concerns he has about any consequences of this, although he takes responsibility, he knows there's consequences, because when a judge orders no contact, that's exactly what it means. And so his father passed in July, Your Honor. He's been going through a time and dealing with that issue. And he had a bad decision. And he knows that was a bad decision. But we would ask for some leniency in this matter, Your Honor.
What are you asking for, counsel, Ms. Lowy? Anything?
Your Honor, I just want to make clear for the record just how afraid this complaining witness is, especially given that the charges here are pretty severe, one of them being a home invasion first degree. Her and another person were victims in this case. Again, they are very afraid of this man, and I think that the texts are indicative of just how dangerous he could be, and I leave it to your discretion.
I did not set the bond.
I understand.
I don't care who set the bond.
I understand.
A judge set the bond. A judge who isn't at this court. You don't ignore bond conditions. You don't go ahead and start making up your own rules and threatening people with these emails, how you're gonna kill her brother and the F word and all these other things. You do this again,
Yeah.
I will set such a high bond, you're not gonna believe it. As it is, Lisa, I'm adding, because he's going back unless he can post right now, either way. 75,000, 10% is your bond. He's not to be released until fitted with a GPS tether. He's not to be within 2 miles of the victim or residence or place of employment. No contact with the victims, no assaultive, abusive, or intimidating behavior toward the victims. You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You're not to enter or go near 23020 Fairway Drive, Unit 20. What unit do you live at?
204.
204, no firearms, no dangerous weapons, GPS tether not to be released until fitted with one, and not to be within 2 miles of the victim, her residence or place of employment. Do this again, and you're gonna have a big problem. You're gonna have to post $7,500 to secure your release. I'm telling you, you don't get to do this. Do we understand one another? All right, good luck. Stay away from her, I'm telling you. If he contacts you in any way, you call the police and you tell them right away.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Take care.
Thanks, gentlemen and ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.